We're really excited to be here.
Where are we, Ty?
Damahagua?
Damahagua.
Dominican Republic.
We are about to jump into the waterfalls.
You are about to jump into the waterfall. It's so cool. Waterfall, come out wherever you are. You come after all of that terrain, after all of the jungle, and then we have this crystal clear, beautiful water right here.
Three, two,